Hi, thank you for your interest in Greener Dawn training. My name is Cortland Weisslitter, founder of Greener Dawn. This online training program is geared to prepare you for the Building Performance Institute Building Analyst and Envelope certification exams. The Building Performance Institute is based in Malta, New York, and it's the leader nationwide in building science. Greener Dawn has been a BPI affiliate trainer since December 2009. This online course entails over 30 hours of lectures within 13 chapters of material. Each chapter incorporates lectures, slides, practice questions, and suggested excerpts from the John Krieger Residential Energy book. In addition, we have a resources folder which contains supplemental material to aid in your learning. Finally, our course overview and study recommendations provide strategies to help you pass the written exams. Take a look at the course overview and study recommendations. Within this document, it gives different pointers, strategies, and tips on what our most successful students have done. Let's jump into the course. Here's an excerpt from one of our lectures.
Hello and welcome back to section 2. This is called the noble, but you do one thing, it's probably going to be a discrete function the way it's done now in our buildings. They design with discrete functions in mind, and the system functions usually happen as we get into this from this system point of view, but are not usually apparent and not usually dealt with. So I don't think they sit there and decide, well, we're going to waste all this energy in this pipe, because if they did think about that, they would have insulated probably a vent in this case, which connects to a furnace or a water heater down here, and combustion byproducts go out there. But these are penetrations. I want you to think about what happens to the building when you run these penetrations down through the walls. Okay, that's what I want you to think about and formulate it.
Okay, great. Let's dive in and look at some of the slides. Now, the slides are what were in the lectures, so you can go back to look at different concepts you may not understand or you need extra help on. Okay, now it's time to take a practice quiz. Each chapter entails anywhere from 10 to 30 quiz questions, so you can gauge your learning from the material that you just studied. Alright, now let's jump into a quiz. Each quiz contains anywhere from 10 to 35 questions. The goal of the quiz is for you to utilize the skills and concepts you just learned from the lectures and the slides and put them to use. Each quiz question will provide an explanation answer with the correct answers at the end. We'd like you to work through each quiz question first, then you get to review your answers. Let's take a look. Which statement is false? Okay, we got the wrong answer. Here's the explanation. All of the answers are true except D, because conduction refers to the transfer of the heat energy within a solid state from a hotter area to a cooler one, and not the molecules directly. When you're ready to go to the next question, you just hit next. Okay, well, we just got a chance to show you lectures, slides, quiz questions, as well as the study guide and the resources folder. Here is the practice exams. We have an analyst exam as well as an envelope. We highly recommend that once you receive an 80% or better on the exams, you're ready for the real exam. Okay, this is the Building Performance Institute Analyst Practice Exam has 100 questions and it takes roughly 2 hours. That is the time limit. Same concept, you'll receive an explanation and then answers at the end. So we got a chance now to look at the entire course. Now, what happens when you get done with your exam and you become BPI certified? Greener Dawn does provide some information on our lead generation programs and equipment leasing. Well, thank you for your time, and we look forward to earning your business.